Erupted millions of years ago, leaving us this wonderful volcanic rock that you see all over the place. So halfway across the bridge, we will be in Arizona, just like halfway across the dam, we will be in Arizona. All right, remember, keep your eyes open for those big... Get out, there it is, Colorado River, down below. It's flowing away from us. Looks like there's some communities down there.
哪个香散？
saw it, then I doubted myself, and then I saw it again. It was a sheep. All right, guys, we are almost to the Hoover Dam neighborhood, so it's time to get your cameras. Oh man, I'm just messing with you. It's not it.
It's not that one.
Now, Hoover Dam, no cry wolf.
Whoa.
Oh, see, I told you. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Oh, sure. Closer? All right, guys. And coming up at the end.
This federal government national park service of this facility is closed.
Are you joking me? The angels, good luck will come to you. We are not allowed to stop the bus at any point on the dam, but you're welcome to rub my toes instead. See, I got on cool socks today too, the striped ones. All right, we have 2 intake towers, 2 on the Nevada side, 2 on the Arizona side. They take the water in, which you never know. Alrighty-o, they got. Anyway, that's a true story. That really happened on the dam, and we were just like, check it out, guys. Spider-Man's on the dam. How many of you get to see that, huh? That's why she asked me if I ever wished I was normal, because I don't think there's a whole lot of people who've seen that. Anyway, I have a feeling the guy had these intentions of maybe rappelling down the dam. What do you think? Yeah, damn right he did. Alrighty-o. Let's see Carlo. And I'll let you out as close as I can to your valet there so you guys can get out and get in. Then we'll head on over to the Aria. Then I have New York, New York and MGM right across the street from each other there. If MGM you feel I need to go over there, let me know and I will put you on the list, but otherwise I'd like to try and just do it that way. Then we're going to go do Excalibur and Luxor the same way, stopping right in between the two so you guys can get where you need to go. Then we're going to go.
If your vest has 2 straps, fasten the straps to the front of the vest and then adjust them loosely around your waist. As you leave the flight, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tabs at the bottom.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes